Welcome back. I'm going to just jump straight into it. So first I'm going to use Soft Ochre Paint Pot and prime my eyes. I've already done my brows off camera, so... Okay, so now I'm going to blend that all in with my beauty blender. And I'm going to use some tape, just putting them on the corner of my eye. Getting the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going into the color Sienna, and I'm going to just pack that on all in my crease area. Just keep packing that on and then doing the other side. Then grabbing the color Cypress Umber, and I'm just going to run that through that crease area as well, just to darken it up a bit. I'm going to keep it more on the lower side though. Getting the Luxe Soft Definer brush from Zoeva and going into Burnt Orange, I'm going to put that on top of the Sienna, and I'm going to start to blend that all out so then there's no harsh lines. And I'm just going to keep blending. Getting some Light Sand Shape Tape from Tarte, and I'm going to cut the and cleaning all that. I'm getting some makeup remover on a Q-tip and just removing all that makeup so then there's no brown underneath that. And then I'm covering my eyelid back up with some Shape Tape. Going in with the Sienna again, I'm going around the cut crease just to define it a little bit more, and then using Cypress Umber and doing the same thing. That'll just define the cut crease line a bit more and make it more neat. And then blending all them colors together so then there's no harsh line again. Going in with Cypress Umber, I'm putting that on my lash line. Then using Sienna, I'll be blending on top of that. I'm kind of just wanting to do that so it does a gradient effect. Making sure to blend it really nicely. Just keep blending until you're happy with it. Then going into Burnt Orange, I'm putting that on top of the Sienna, again to use that gradient effect and make it look seamless without any harsh lines. Getting the Stila Smudge Pot in black, I'm going to just put that on my lash line. And then I'm going to smoke it out with some Cypress Umber, and that'll just give a little bit more of a smoky effect. And then going over that again with some of the Smudge Pot in black. And then blending again. Then blending all them colors again just to make it seamless. Taking off the tape. Putting some mascara on and then some lashes. These are just the same lashes again. I always clean them as well though. Cleaning up underneath my eyes. Using the Soft Ochre Paint Pot to prime my nose like always. And then using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and I'm going to put that on my cheeks and on my forehead. Getting the Huda Beauty foundation, and I'm mixing them two colors together just to try and get my perfect color because I'm not too white and I'm not too dark. I'm in between at the moment. And then patting that all in, just doing a light layer first and using my beauty blender just to kind of pat it all in. I feel like if I go in straight away with a full coverage, kind of just slips all over the place and it just feels really, really thick. This way I'll keep it light and then I'll go over in the places where I want more coverage and build it up with using my finger. And still that beauty blender, which will soak up any excess product. Going in with Shape Tape and putting that underneath my eyes, like always. And blending that all in with my beauty blender. I'm grabbing the Hourglass Mineral Veil powder. I'm going to get my powder puff and I'm going to just press that in all over my face just to make sure it's all nice and set. This powder, I feel like even dry skin, it still doesn't make it dry. It's amazing. I love this powder. And then baking underneath my eyes with that same Hourglass Veil powder. And my smile lines. Some Laguna bronzer. I'm going to bronze up my face a bit, just giving it that little bit of dimension. And I'm going to contour with the Marc Jacobs Tantastic bronzer. Underneath my eyes, I'm going to take that Cypress Under and putting it all the way across my lash line. I want a really, really smoky lash line today, so I'm just making sure it's going all the way across and then blending that out with the blending brush I used with Sienna, and I'm just going to put that underneath. And then getting the Master Kajol eyeliner, putting that all on my waterline and smudging that out using that Zoeva smudger brush. Wiping away all that baking that I did. I'm getting Warm Soul from MAC for blush. And for highlighter, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, the Emery one. So pretty. I'm also going to be putting that highlighter on a little brush and spraying it with some Fix Plus, and I'm going to put that on the inner corners just to give it a pop of shimmer. Using the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in Wifey, I start putting a darker color on as well because I just thought the Wifey was a little bit too light. Spraying my face with Fix Plus just to mesh all them powders, and we are done. Thank you so much for watching this little tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And I'll see you later. Bye.